So friends, if you want people to respect you, attach importance to your words, and do what you tell them, then you will have to become an influential person. In today's era, people only follow those with more power and control than them, and reverse positive psychology can help you with this, a technique used by some of the most influential people in the world, large companies, politicians, and powerful individuals. In this psychology, instead of directly ordering someone, you influence their intentions and thinking in such a way that they end up doing what you want them to do. Therefore, today we will share with you 7 such psychological techniques with which you can increase your importance and respect among friends, family, and people around you. First, don't show too much interest, no matter how interested you are. According to a social psychologist from the University of Arizona, when someone feels that their freedom is being taken away from them, they often react the other way around. That is, they refuse to do what they are told. You must have also noticed that when you chase a person, they start running away from you because you show that you need them, and this puts pressure on the other person. In such a situation, a reaction is triggered, and this person moves away from you. On the other hand, if a person shows himself to be cold and less interested, then people are automatically attracted to him. Secondly, people attach more importance to what is difficult to get. During the experiment, people were offered 2 types of chocolate. There were 10 chocolates in one jar and only 2 in the other. Most people preferred chocolate with less. That's why the products are sold under the limited edition name. We consider what everyone doesn't get to be more valuable. If you want people to understand your importance, then don't be available all the time. Be a little exclusive, only then will your value increase. The third, small favors have a big impact. In the course of a study in restaurants, it was noticed that when a waiter gives a small free sweet along with the bill, he gets a higher tip. Similarly, when you give someone a little help or a gift, the person in front cannot ignore you. He feels obligated to respond in kind. But remember, all this must be within the framework. Otherwise, people start treating you lightly. Fourth, don't overestimate your knowledge. Accepting what you don't know is also a power. Research has shown that most people consider their driving skills to be above average, whereas, in fact, it is not. People often hide their ignorance. But when you honestly admit it, I do not know, people take you and your words more seriously. Fifth, people want to be consistent in their words. As soon as someone says yes to something minor, it's harder for them to say no to something bigger later. For example, if someone talks about losing weight, and then they are asked about their achievements, they are likely to work harder to prove it. So if you want someone to make a commitment, start with small steps. The sixth, social proof. If others are doing it, I will do it too. We are all social beings. When we see how many people are doing something, we consider it more authentic. Therefore, if you are promoting something, show that many people have already taken part in it. Seventh, people love a challenge. If you tell someone right away that you can't do it, they often make it a matter of their ego and try their best to prove it. When the mother says, "You won't be able to finish eating, so you won't get ice cream," then the child tries his best to finish his food. This trick is used by many trainers. Instructors and supervisors challenge the other person's limitations, and they will work hard to prove themselves. If you liked this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of the next videos. Thanks for watching.